I'm good, thanks.
Are you tired, sir?
No, I'm not.
Okay, that's great. Let's see your luggage to your hotel.
That sounds good.
Oh, and then we are going to take you on a small trip of Istanbul.
Okay, I really wanted to see Istanbul.
Sure, Istanbul is one of the best cities in the world. We will show you the best part of Istanbul.
I want to see the Topkapı Palace.
Sure, of course, we are going to take you there.
Do you want specific to see anywhere else in Istanbul?
Yes, I would also like to see the famous Bosphorus.
Of course, you already have a reservation for the evening in a great restaurant. It has a beautiful view of Bosphorus.
That sounds great.
We hope you are going to enjoy the delicious Turkish cuisine as well.
I can't wait for the evening.
How long are you going to stay here?
I'm going to stay here only for 1 week.
We are going to make sure you are going to enjoy your time here.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Let's take a taxi and go to your hotel first.
Teşekkür ederim.